Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Critics Hub.
Let's now talk about Kusunoki's Garden of Gods, Episode 10. I couldn't expect anything less from this anime anymore, guys. 10 episodes in. Pero, for your sakes, let's deep dive pa rin. Thanks! Medyo naging... naging balance ang pacing dito. Hindi lang siya chill, meron ding konting action, meron ding konting comedy. Here's the thing about slice of life animes. Magaling magbalanse ng pacing ang mga to. So whether it be what you call this? Whether it be K-On! or City V Animation. Okay? Magaling magbalanse ng pacing ang mga slice of life anime. This anime is no exception. Do I have complaints? Wala! Okay? So, there's nothing less about the pacing of this episode. 10 episodes in already. Very consistent ang Kusunoki. Now, for the 3 sequences that we collectively call the flow. First gear shift. A no-brainer for me. Harima gives a warning about this. If you remember episode 9, yung dalawang magagansong exorcist. Ultimo si Harima, binigyan na ng warning si Minato. It just goes to show you that that the alliances Minato has formed. Teka, lakayan natin yung aking Minato has formed all throughout this anime will serve him well come the final 3 episodes. Tandaan nyo guys, road to the finale na tayo. Now, second gear shift. What's when? Well, a new character this late in the game, Susanoo makes his entrance. May pagka Bratinelo pala itong ng Diyos ng mga ahas, si Susanoo. All throughout this episode, he proved himself as a worthy ally. Okay? Pero he's a little bit extreme, okay? Well, why did I call this a gear shift? Number 1, it's a no-brainer. Kasi, maganda yung timing ng pasok ng Diyos na to. And based again on the teaser for the next episode, Minato might need might want to train under this guy again. Susanoo has proven to be a worthy ally right here, but he makes nonetheless it's a grand entrance. As any arrogant what do you expect from an arrogant god? Pero in a later sequence, sinundo na siya ni Amaterasu. At hindi lang sinundo, kinaladkad pa uwi. Now, third and final gear shift. The fruits of the short training paid off. Minato started pushing back against Susanoo. Let's just say through this gear shift, he actually grew a pair. You know what I'm saying, guys? Alright, especially mga straight males dyan katulad ko. You know what I'm talking about when I say grow a pair. Okay? So, if you deep dive into this gear shift, talaga masasabi nyo na, kakailanganin ni Minato ito. Baka in the end, he might be a burden to all the gods he has befriended. Pero kailangan magkaroon din siya ng konting silbi sa labanan. It just goes to show you that the gods are now going all in helping Minato, grow as a person. So it's quite a character development gear shift for the main protag, if I say so myself. Pero guys, will it be enough for you to totally appreciate this episode? Much less start the trek on the road to this anime's finale? Di pa rin. Right. Kung ngayon nyo palang umpisahan ang anime na to, you might as well watch this episode from start to finish. Okay? Huwag nyong sabihin na, hindi, kaya ng utak ko na intindihin yung tatlong sequences na yan. Don't do that, guys. Alright? You have enough time in the world to watch 25 minutes worth of anime. Alright? Gawin nyo. Watch it from beginning to end para lalo nyong maintindihan ang episode. Especially this one. Like I said just a while ago, magpa-final 3 episodes na. Nagsimula na. As of today, pala. Nagsimula na final 3 episodes. So, well, you might as well watch this one from start to finish para medyo equipped na kayo coming into those 3. Now, plot-wise. Malinis ang plot, guys! Okay. Slice of life animes are not known to cinch in what you call this? Yung mga somewhat irrelevant backstory sequences. Okay? Kung meron man, hindi nila ginagawa normally on the road to the finale, yung final 5 episodes. Normally, hindi ginagawa ng slice of life anime yan. Because based on experience, they don't need to. Alright? Kung lalagyan nila ng side story, pwede lang, pero they keep it as short as possible. Pero backstory sequences, nope. I see that as a no-no in the slice of life genre, especially during the final 5 episodes, which I fondly call the road to the finale. Kasi masisira yung momentum ng going to an anime's ending. This one is no different. Magpa-final 3 episodes na. Tapos doon ko pa nasisingit the backstory sequence. No! Okay? May bagong character namang in-introduce dito. But it didn't go into backstory mode. Sinabi na lang ni Susanoo kung ano yung relationship with the other gods, why he's there. Siya na mismo nagkwento, pero walang lumabas na visuals about it. We don't need it. Kaya overall, guys, superbly clean ang plot ng episode na to. No need to expound any further. So, base, flow, and plot all came together, and I cannot wait for this episode, for this finale to end. I really want to see how Minato's going to how Minato's going to grow as a person and as a more worthy medium to these gods. Kasi ang dami nilang naging kaibigan na Diyos dito. Alright? And if you're into Japanese mythology, this anime will be a feast for you. So, Kusunoki's Garden of Gods, Episode 10,